Today, I'm reviewing this wall outlet extender with a built-in USB-C 30W fast charger. Let's open the box. Inside, you get the outlet extender and stabilizing screws. Installation is easy and secure. This extender turns 2 outlets into 4 AC outlets and includes 3 USB ports with a USB-C 30W fast charging port. It charges compatible devices up to 3 times faster than a regular charger, reaching about 80% in around 50 minutes. The outlets are well spaced, so large plugs don't block each other, and it has 1080 dual surge protection to help keep your devices safe. In the living room, I use it for the TV and other electronics. In the kitchen, it's perfect for small appliances and taste phone charging. In the bedroom, it keeps all my devices charged and organized. Overall, this outlet extender is practical, safe, and great for home, travel, or dorm rooms, especially if you need fast USB-C charging and more outlets in one place.